years just because I prefer the round egg.
I've been doing that for a long time.
So much better.
Sub round egg on everything. Sub round egg.
Also, if you have any onion allergies, this is for my mom. Do not get anything that would have touched the steak, because
are you fucking
here. The thing is that, but I made my breakthrough literally at the beginning of this century, the 20th century.
Canadian combat weapons know us down. We get out there.
right in his ass thinking he can fucking pass him?
He is passing us.
What a fucking idiot.
I don't like revenge. You don't like revenge. I love revenge, and every Star Wars movie is a great movie. And that's the episode. And there we go. Thanks for watching. Bailey said if we get our
an internal investigation and see how much of his work time was actually spent stalking. Well, I mean, I would just have.
Guilty to insider trading a decade earlier in a prior scheme with Raj. When approached, she agreed.
What are you doing, dickhead?
Holy shit.
The memories, my dad teaching me to swim, my mom tossing bread to the ducks, me as a teenager doing my first loops in the old boat. Everything was...
Oh, I just remembered.
You can fuck right off.
Oh my god.
fuck is wrong with you? You're the piece of shit tailgating me! You stupid fuck nugget!
Oh my god, that was scary.
It's gonna get scarier. You are... Say hi to the camera! Asshole! 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 Asshole!
Oh my god. Can you hold the window up? Does it keep brake checking you?
Yeah. What the fuck is wrong with you? What the fuck? Good God.
She's like trying to like...
Yep.
She's trying to ram in.
Oh my god!